Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages, which should be on the very first position. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And thanks to this, we've been transferred to the full impressive list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. So I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And let me pick, for example, French. So basically, if you will find a language, just tap on it. Sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, the French language, of course, in my case, simply appeared on this list. But the English is still a main language. So in order to actually change the language, we have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, I can change the position of it. So let's drag it to the very first position. And within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language, in my case, of course, French. So let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English set. So if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, because, for example, you added too many of them, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we can mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Just tap. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in the Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.